What's up, world? I decided to do this little video. I was riding around Greenwood and I saw the advertising for the KFC chicken sandwich. This is the original one, so I decided to give it a try. Okay. This is the original. This is all what you get on it. Like my other videos, the first thing that come to mind. That's pretty good. Like when I saw this, I had some expectations for this one. The church's one I didn't, but this one I actually did. This is pretty good. Like, I definitely would see myself trying this again compared to the church one when I haven't even stepped back into churches for that. But this is pretty good. I'm going to probably this will make me give the spicy one a try. Yes, that's good. That's pretty good. I still might give the slight edge to Popeyes, but I could see this one. I mean, if you were in the area and you see it, I would recommend giving it a try. So, yeah, this gets a thumbs up for me. So, until next time, world.